Okay, listen up. This thing that is on sale right now for $12 could save you thousands. Landlord just paid thousands of dollars to get my air unit fixed. It has been messed up for a couple of months now, and come to find out, it is because of leaves and branches and whatnot getting inside. It is that time of the year where the leaves start falling, so trust me, you do not want to pay an arm and a leg like he just did. If a $12 item can save you thousands, that is a no-brainer, and it took me like 30 seconds to put on, if that. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like all air units should come with this, but since they don't, I'll put the link below in case you guys do want to grab one.